Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Meet recordings and saved items, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Sign in to the Google account associated with your Google Meet recordings. In Google Drive, locate the Meet Recordings folder. This folder is automatically generated by Google when you record meetings. Click on the Meet Recordings folder to open it. You will see a list of your recorded meetings. Select the recording you wish to back up. Right-click on the chosen recording file. From the context menu, click on Download. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. To ensure your recording is securely backed up, consider using an external hard drive or cloud storage. Connect your external hard drive to your computer, if applicable. Open the external drive folder on your computer. Drag and drop the downloaded recording file into the external drive folder. If using cloud storage, log in to your preferred service. Upload the recording file to your cloud account by dragging and dropping it into the designated area. Now, let's move on to your saved items. Return to Google Drive and look for any other important documents or files. Select the files you wish to backup, similar to how you selected your recordings. Right-click on the selected files and choose Download from the menu. Once downloading is complete, repeat the same backup steps for these files. Remember to organize your backups in a way that makes them easy to locate later. Periodically review and update your backups to ensure all your essential files are protected. Following these steps will help you maintain a secure backup of your Google Meet recordings and important files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.